All right, you got your ramen noodles. You're gonna need bacon. You can use real bacon, or you can get these bacon pieces, bacon bits right here. They're just as good. This is applewood smoke flavored right here. So this is what I'm going to be using for my bacon. It's actually, if you're, a vegetarian, this does not have meat in it. Just check out the ingredients. So you're going to need bacon pieces, and you're going to need ranch. Right here I have light ranch because I'm on a diet trying to lose a little bit of weight. So I got the classic ranch light, which is half the calories as normal ranch. And you're going to need a spoon. All right, so let's get started. All right, you're going to bring 1.5 cups of water to a boil. The package says use 2.5, but use less water for this recipe right here. And so what you're going to do is you're going to bring it to a boil, and then you're going to